Hello students, so today we will study the topics which will be related to the ICSE board class 10th students, and the topics is how we can write the code on notepad or notepad++ and how I can compile it with the help of command prompt. So as you know students, you just write your code on any IDE, integrated development environment, and the IDE for the Javas are NetBeans, Eclipse, Luna, many more IDEs are available. You can download from the Google and write your code and download compile and run it. It's very easy. They will provide the environment will provide, that means IDE will provide a very user-friendly environment where you can write your code, compile it and run it. There is no problem. But the thing is how I can write it on the notepad and how I can compile it with the help of command prompt. So students, as you know that writing and compiling the code with the help of command prompt, you have to write some command on the command prompt. So because you are compiling it on the command, that means you are compiling a Java code. So for compiling it, you have to write some commands. You have to write some commands on the command prompt, but that commands will not be recognized by the operating system because command prompt features is different and the Javas are different. So how you can write, how you can run, this is the problem. The first thing is, one more thing, you can write your code on notepad and notepad++, but I will teach you on notepad because many more students do not have notepad++, because it will be downloaded from the internet on the Google, but notepad you will get when you have operating system. So this is very basic thing. Public class, then suppose my class name is Pramod and I am writing here public static void main string args. Then I'm writing here, we are not going to write a very complex problem because my aim is different. My aim is to only show how I can write the code and how I can run it with the help of notepad. So these are the things, these are the codes. So how I can do it, students. The next thing is, what is the extension of saving this code? So as you are very familiar that any type of files is having some extensions. Like if you save the image, then it is having .jpg or .jpeg. If you have video files, then it will have some extension. If you have any other, like if you have PowerPoint.pptx, if you have Microsoft Excel, that it will have .xlsx. The same way, if you have Java program, the extension will be .java. So how you will save this? You will have the class, that means file name .java. So Java says you will write the file name as same as the class name. So what is the class name? Is Pramod. So how you will save this? Pramod.java. This is the complete name, Pramod.java. Next thing, next step, where you will save this. So for compiling on command prompt, there are two ways. Either you just save this Java program in the directory bin directory, and command prompt, you will go by the command prompt, click here the command prompt, and this right now this position of command prompt is C Windows System 32, but if you want to compile this, then the place must be at the same location to bin. So bin, where is bin? Let me show you. This PC, go to C drive. There are program files x86. Click on J. Java will be here. JDK. Then there is bin, and this is complete path. C program files x86 Java JDK 1.8.0/bin. So these are the complete path of bin folder. Is it okay? Control C. Control C means I copied this path and click here. Then how I can reach, that means our command prompt can reach to that place. CD, then paste that part, press enter button. Right now you can see here, this is removed. C program files x86 Java JDK. This is the path. That means our command prompt location is right now to that bin folder. And next thing is I will save this program to that bin folder location. But this is very tedious job. This is very time consuming. Why? Suppose I'm writing, why I will always say to save my Java program to the bin folder. We can save it to any location of the computer. That means any place on my computer. This is the better job. Why I will say directly on the bin folder? This is anybody can ask the question, and you have to reach the direct place. So this is very tedious and time consuming. So the next one is, you can save your Java program to any place, but for compiling and running that code, the next thing is, what is the code for compiling, command for compiling? So the command is, I'm writing here the command javac, J-A-V-A-C, javac, then program name, file name, the file name is promote.java. This is compiling code, C-O-M-P-I-L-A, compilation code for compiling our code. Next one is java, then only class name. This is running the code, running code. So these are the two commands for compiling and running. We have to follow these two commands in the command, on the command prompt. So what are the next thing? We have, how I can save our Java file on any location of the computer and run it very easily. So the way is, you set the path. You set the path. So there are two ways for setting the path. First one is by temporary way, and the second one is by permanent way. Okay. So what are the temporary way? Suppose you write the command, you write the Java code, and suppose I'm saving this Java code to desktop. So how I will save this? Go to desktop and double quotes, and what is the name? Promote.java. Then save this one. You can see here is a Java program. You can see the Java file type, Java file size 174 bytes, date modified, everything things is written over here. Next thing, I save this one on any location of the computer. Next thing, set the path. So the way of setting the path is, the path setting is, you write here first you, suppose I just closing this one, and I'm writing CMD again. It is open. Then I will write set path equal to, and type the copy the complete path till bin, Control C, and in the double quotes I just paste this one, this path, and enter button. So this is the way of setting the path temporary. But what is the problem behind this? If I write the code javac promote.java, it is compiled. Basically I have to reach that place. So what is the place? Let me show you. These are the place. Because my file is right now which position, command prompt location is system32. So this command file location should be on desktop, because my Java file is on desktop. So I will write here cd space this one, then right now javac promote.java. When I click this one, okay, spelling is wrong, javac promote.java, javac, Javac, class interface enum expected, javac promote.java. What is the problem? JAVAC. Reach the proper place. Okay. JAVAC javac promote.java. java promote.java compilation. Oh, the problem is I have written these codes and this is not recognized by the Java. You know better. If I want to keep this one, then we have to write the comment also. So this concept is right now also clear of your this how you can write the comment. Save it again. This will be run definitely compiled. This is compiled and Java promote, run this. You got the result hello. But what is the problem behind this? If I do the same code, then what is the problem? If I close this one, then our setting will be erased. Whatever setting I have done, that means I set the part, this will be erased. So for recover, that means for setting the path permanently, what I have to do, I have to open the properties, go to this PC, go to here properties, go to advanced system setting, go to environment variable, and here you are seeing path. Click here path, and this terminator will be here, and after that control V. Control V means, I'm sorry, I have pasted the path till desktop, but the path will be till bin. So I'm going again to that place, bin, and control C. After that terminator, then control B. You are able to see here this path is pasted over here, but I have already done it. So why I will do it again? I'm deleting this one. So this is the way. Just after that you okay and do it okay. So your work is completed. Right now, if anytime you shut down your computer, you shut down the terminator, every time your program will compiled and run very easy way, and there will be no problem. There will be no dependency on the termination of the command prompt, shutting down the computer system, and the Java program location. You can save your Java program at any location. So students, I hope that today's videos is very helpful to you to write the code on notepad, and how you can compile and run your code on command prompt. And I cleared one more concept. This is a single line comment. So students, if you like my video, then please like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends if they are in ICSC board class 10, if they are the students of class 10th students ICSC board. So thank you students for watching this one.